In this tutorial, you'll learn how to remove an attendee from an Outlook meeting. First, access your meeting tools by expanding the Help menu. Then, open the Scheduling Assistant to review meeting details and availability. Next, go to your inbox and click on Invite Required Attendees to see who's currently invited to your meeting. To edit the meeting, select the event title field and use the Edit icon to begin making changes. Then, confirm the date or the formatting in the invite, and update the list of required attendees by typing or adjusting names as needed. To remove someone, click the Remove or Delete icon next to their name to ensure they are no longer listed for the event. Now, select the required attendees input again if needed, and send the updated invite so all participants are notified of the changes. You can also confirm or adjust the meeting time and close unnecessary dialogues as you finalize your edits. After making these changes, select your event and send the final update to ensure attendees are informed. You've just learned how to remove an attendee from an Outlook meeting.